Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix and overcome the wlanapi error you get while using Windows Server but is installed by default to Windows operating systems. Okay, so what you need to do is use the search feature on Windows, search for Server Manager, and then click on Add Roles and Features. Click on Server Roles, then Features. Scroll down and you find wireless LAN service. Okay. Click it, then press next and make sure you click on the restart. After it's finished, we can restart automatically. Alright, all you have to do then is just install it. Then the computer is going to restart automatically. Then that's it, and this should sort your problem out for you. Alright, take care.